tomato. Nalagay ko yung tomato. So, nagluluto ako ng fish. I'm putting some of the spices. This is salt. Salt. Paprika. Paprika. Garlic powder. Black pepper. This is turmeric powder. I put chili also. Wow. And I put coriander pepper, fresh coriander. Wow. Yan. Finish to put the fish. Yeah, this is the fish. I just waited this to little bit boil, then it's finished. Then we will put again this coriander. No, it's not coriander. This is parsley, sorry. I put again parsley on the top. Wow.